name is Rashid Olayi. I'm a teacher, I'm an economics teacher. So I want to teach the topic the definition of economics as I have written on the board. Now, the economics at the beginning, centuries of years ago, start from the study of the room, the management of the room. That's where the origin of the economics starts. How do we manage the room? After some time, some economists came up and started giving definitions based on their studies. They started giving different definitions to economics. One of the economists is who is regarded as the father of economics, Adam Smith. Adam Smith defined economics as an inquiry into the causes and wealth of nations. An inquiry into the causes and wealth of nations. So we also have other definition from some other economists. For instance, J. Mill defined economics as the science that study production and division of goods and service. The science that study production of goods and service. We have many definitions for economics. Some even define economics as the study of production, distribution, and consumption of wealth or resources, depending on how you look at it. All these are definitions of economics. But the most acceptable one comes from Professor Lionel Robbins. Who defines economics as a social science that study human behavior as a relationship between end and scarce space which have contaminated uses. That's the best definition of economics. And there are some reasons why it is being widely accepted. One of the reasons is that this definition by Professor Lionel Robbins, I'll write it. Economics is a social science that studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarceness, which have alternative uses. So this is the widely accepted definition by Professor Robin. Now, it's regarded as social science. So people will ask, why is economics regarded as social science? The reason is this. Now, economics, for instance, the methods that are being used to study economics are also being used to study sciences. Though actually, economics is not a pure sciences, but it's also the method is a systematic method. For instance, in pure economics, in pure sciences, they use what we call observation. These are the scientific methods. Observation. We also have experimentation. Some of the scientific methods. Conclusion is also part of scientific methods. Now, when we talk about observation, for instance, in science, you observe nature. Science is about the study of nature. But economics is about the study of the human society, how business activities are being run in the human society. Now, production, division, demand, supply. These are things economics does. Now, when you look at, for instance, in science, when you observe nature, you have to observe something. For example, the production of crop, for instance, they observe the coming of the moon and the sun. That's what brought about the sun, the making of the crop. It's always come 24 hours, after 24 hours, the crop. The same thing observation happens in economics. They observe. What do you observe? For example, a seller. Somebody can sell biscuit, for instance. Somebody has said biscuit, for instance. Observe that when the price of the biscuit is like, let's assume the price is 15 naira per one. 15 naira per one. If the price is 15 naira per one, he is able to sell 20 per day, 20 units per day of biscuit. Now, let's assume the price will increase to 60 naira per one. He won't be able to, the seller will not be able to sell 20. Probably he'll be able to sell like 18 per day, units per day. In a similar way, if the price increase to like 70 naira, for instance, he is able to sell like 16 units per day. On and on like that. So the seller is observing. So people around are also observing. So the observation is being done from different places here and there. You now realize to come about the law of economics that say that the higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded. So when the price is going up, the quantity demand is being reduced by the seller, by the consumer. Now, the same, just as we have in science, pure sciences, where we use observation to study science, we also have the same in economics. That's why scientific methods or methodologies are being used to also study science. And so, when you study economics, for instance, again, look at this experimentation. In the lab, for instance, for pure sciences, let's say chemistry lab, for instance, you use pipettes where you put some chemical in it. As you are doing carrying out your experiment, you look at the level, you write it down. In record, this record, this is what I've done is recording. It's also part of experimentation. Recording. You record in science, you also record in economics. It's also part of the experimentation. Now, they are recording how the thing is going, how the level of liquid in the pipette is coming down, as they are carrying the experiment. Now, they also do that in science. Experimentation in science, results in economics. How do you do? Now, experimentation. Now, how do you do? Now, I will record it. As I'm recording, we test it. Okay. For instance, in my place in Abeokuta now, it's happening like that. When the price of food increase, because the demand reduce. It also happens in Lagos. Some people also do that. They carry, the white men, they carry a lot of research. They go far to do the experiment from place to place. So they now discover that in anywhere, whenever the price increases, whenever the price of goods increases, the quantity demand also reduces. That's how they come about the law that they are the price below the quantity demanded. Now, so we use all these methods in social science. That's why we say that economics is social science. The methodology being used to study sciences, and the systematic way is also being used to study economics. Now we have stop.